So yan, good day mga tol. Ito nga pala ulit si Trip de Negro sa YouTube at Facebook. Nandito tayo ngayon sa KRB MX Speedway sa may Antipolo with Coach Mel Aquino, MRSP or Motorcycle Riding School Philippines with CF Moto. Kasi today merong adventure ride training na partnership nila Coach Mel Aquino and CF Moto. So lahat to mga 450 MT owners and riders. So nakakatuwa kasi sobrang nag-upgrade na ang mga adventure riders ngayon. Hindi lang nag-invest sa motor, sa gears, nag-invest na rin sa mga skills. So ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano mga mangyayari. Pero for now, tingnan nyo gaano kagaganda ang bikes ng 450 MT. Let's go. Ito, ganda rin ang bike niya. Simple lang ang setup niya. Ito, naka-decals na rin. Maganda rin talaga pag dini-decals eh. Tsaka ito maganda. Although okay ang upuan, syempre mas masarap yun, mas komportable. Ayan, daming 450 MT, nakakatuwa oh. Oh. Ito, ganda ng mga decals nila. Puro 450 MT. So yan, ang dami nag-participate na riders. Yeah. Sobrang nakakatuwa, no? Pag nakakakita ka ng maraming bike, nakatulad nung sayo, diba?
So we'll be doing the CF Moto ADV training. So we'll be doing two batches. We have the intro for ADV and the advanced ADV riding. So here at Motorcycle Riding School Philippines, located at KRB MX Speedway, Barangay Inarawan, Antipolo City, Baralaki Road. Check it out, guys.
Yeah. Thank you, Coach.
Alright.
So yun, mag-i-start pa lang ang training. So sabi ni Coach Mel Aquino, dalawang module siya, parang dalawang part. Parang isang basic, tas isang advance. So hintayin natin, panoorin natin. Marami tayong matututunan ngayon. So yun, for starter, mag-i-stretching muna sila. Siyempre kailangan naman yan, kada may gagawing physical na ano, kailangan mag-stretching. Yan, si Coach Kaloy, idol natin yan. Mga Coach Kaloy, si Ray, Tristan Cheng of Club Makina. Good tayo. So yun, nag-stretching muna sila. Yan. So requirement yung stretching na yan. La Coach Rod. Si Jet Lau parang tanga. Jet, mag-ano ka dyan? Sumunod ka dyan. Stretching ka dyan, puro kakalokohan eh. Puro katarantaduhan talaga ito siya nyo. Coach Rod. Oh. Coach. So yan, kailangan talaga mag-stretching kayo. What can you recommend? Best, delicious. The sea salt?
Yes po.
Oh, that's salty. This is Fresco.
You're always in the sea.
Fresco. This is Fresco from Royal? Of Royal? Different? Same?
Same po pero different
Owner?
yes po.
Yeah, okay. Sea salt, please.
Hot or ice?
Ice. So yan, Fresco. Ito rin yung ano. Actually, ito rin yung sa Royal. Yan yung pinupuntahan natin doon. There's a vanilla ingredient. There's a classic. What's that?
This is caramel.
Caramel and vanilla. Oh, I'm Englishing ha.
Right hand on top of the seat, and I want you to lift your bike up slowly. Then I want you to put it down again slowly. Sige, lipat tayo sa mga bikes nyo. Harap kayo sa mga motor nyo. Handlebar to the left, ha? Pick it up. Put it down.
Guys, handlebars to the left. Muna, handlebars to the left.
Handlebars to the left.
Handlebar
Once
to the
again, pick it up.
Lagyan
Put
muna
it
natin sa
down.
dulce
You can feel the weight of the bike, right? Now, I want you to put your handlebar on the right.
Bike na, handlebars to the right.
Now, I want you to repeat the process. Right foot forward, right hand over the seat, left hand on the handlebar. Pick it up slowly.
Uy, sa upuan, B.
Put it down.
Sa upuan.
This is easy. Alright, I want you to pick up your bike using only your two hands. Front brake. Pick up your bike. Then, tayo kay Ma'am Joanne. Motor niya to. Pero ma'am, hindi, walang gumalaw.
Walang gumalaw. Hinangin.
Hinangin. So if you will fall on your right, you make sure you put the side stand up. Down pala tayo.
Down.
Down. Bakit? Kasi pag dilift natin siya at wala yung side stand sa kabila, baka mag-buhat naman kayo, pakanan naman. Okay?
Baka dumiretso yung motor.
Dumiretso.
Pakaliwa.
So there are two types of lifting. May three types pa nga eh. Yung classic one is yung ganon, di ba?
Yeah.
You use the butt, you use your legs, you use your strongest part of your body, but the problem is, kung flat out yung bike, hindi kayo kakasya. Di ba? So, meron namang isang type ng buhat, we use our hips. Like this. Pero kung medyo nahihirapan kayo, we do the handlebar lift. Kasi mahirap sa tall guy yung mag-lift ng hips. So we do the handlebar lift. So how do we use the handlebar lift? We put the handlebar here. Dahil sabi natin kanina, when the handlebar is on the left, it is easier to pick up the bike. You don't pick up the bike when the handlebar is on the right. You put it on the left. Now, if the bike is in first gear, better. If not, you hold the front brake so that the bike will be stable. Now,
Guys, notice. Okay? Both of your tires are floating. Huwag kayo magtatayo ng motor o dire-diretso itatayo mo ng motor nang nakalutang ang dalawang gulong. Make sure na bago nyo simulang itayo yung motor, nakasayad parehas kasi papatayin niya yung momentum ng pagtayo nyo.
diba pag akyat nyo, parang bibiglang sumampay sa inyo. So, nawala yung momentum. So, you make sure, how do you do that? You make sure you're touching your both tires on the ground.
So, both tires are now touching the ground.
Now, this is a technique na tutunan ko kay Ma'am Joanne to. Itong technique na to kasi body lifter siya. So you put your strength on the handlebar and then you use your legs pushing it like this.
Legs and legs, not your back.
Not your back. Then, handlebar ulit. Mas lumuhal kasi kanina, tumbay ko to mababa eh. So that's the problem if you lower your suspension, yung side stand, to the future. Clutch! You don't pull the clutch very as far as you can. There's a friction zone. Everybody knows the friction zone, right? Friction zone. Smooth. Smooth. The bikes go slow down, then release. Balance 360 is the key. You use this on the trail. Earlier, Coach Kaloy told us about this. If you want to go to the other side, that's the balance 360. So I can move from here to the other side.
So yan makikita nyo, ganyan talaga ka-importante pag nag-i-invest ka sa skills mo sa pagmumotor. So ganyan din kagaling magturo sila Coach Mel, Coach Kaloy, Coach Rod, yan yung mga coaches, sila Coach Benji.
So now, what are we going to do? Only do it.
So yun, punta kayo dito sa KRBMX Speedway sa kay Coach Mel MRSP. Yan, pwede kayong mag-enroll dito for basic and advanced training for your enduro and off-road training. Yan. Pagkatan nyo, lahat naman sila masaya. Lahat sila nag-enjoy. Lahat sila kasi may natututunan today. Nakikita nyo naman gano'n na karami ang CF Moto 450 MT owners. Ayun.
Okay, 2 or 3 steps forward. Okay.
Kita nyo.
Stop.
Okay naman, kahit matagal na tayo nagmumotor, ang dami pa rin natin natutunang bago. Siyempre, yung mga ibang techniques, no? Dito lang yan kay Coach Mel Aquino, dito sa KRB.
Thank you, sir. Rider Rookie, good morning.
Morning, bro.
Bro, how's your experience so far?
My experience is actually so far.
And so good?
Yeah, so far away from what I've used to do kasi this is something new to me.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
my experience is so far.
Yeah, thank you so far. Thank you, brother. Bro, how's your experience so far?
Yan, brother.
Brother Basti.
It's idol trip eh. I don't know.
You
I don't know what I'm experiencing so far.
So far, so good?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Thank you, brother. Thank you. How's your experience so far?
English
Budol.
boy. English
No,
yan.
no,
Bawal
no
yan.
Tagalog. No Tagalog.
English, international.
I'm an international blogger.
Jet, my translator.
Chinese? No Chinese. No Chinese. No Pogo. No Pogo.
Pas, ikaw naman.
No Pogo. No Pogo. Kaya bro, anong experience mo so far?
Yeah, masaya. Dami kami natututunan bago dito ngayon. Kahit matagal na kaming nagmumotor, syempre iba pa rin yung basic na tama talaga.
Thank you, brother. How about you, sir?
Very informative.
Yan.
Di pa tayo nag-ride, ang dami na natin natutunan.
Partita pa yan, boss. Nandiyan ka pa lang, pagod ka na. Pawis ka na eh. Pag nag-ride na yan, mas papawisan ka.
Ang dami na natutunan, wala ka pang sinasakyang motor.
Pagod na. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So far, kamusta?
Ayos.
Ayos naman.
Tawag dito, new understanding, new learnings, tawag dito. Kumbaga fresh yung fresh experience, fresh knowledge.
Sobrang naniniwala ka kahit na marunong ka ng rider, kailangan mo pa rin matuto. No?
Dapat.
Lagi.
Yun part yun ng part yun ng continuous development yan. Tawag dito. Kailangan from time to time ma-refresh talaga yung kung ano yung natututunan mo, kung ano yung experience mo. I-refresh mo lang talaga siya.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yan, tanungin natin ang mga kapatid natin from Club Makina. Ito mga legit na riders din to. Kulitin natin. Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning.
What can you say about today's training?
9, 10.
Today is very
Unfreeze!
Exciting.
Come on, bro.
We have a lot of
We're not supposed to be.
English only, sorry, I'm an
Participants.
international blogger.
we have a lot of participants and
Yes.
a lot of good turnout because a lot of 450 MT owners.
That's a lot, ha?
Yes. A
Yes,
lot of
bro.
450 MT owners showed up.
So that.
And we are very happy because this is a joint venture between Motorcycle Riding School Philippines and CF Moto Philippines. And thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. How about you? Can you speak? No, you cannot talk. Can you talk? Why you're not talking?
Don't do that.
Ah, you're sick?
You're so...
What can you say about the training today so far?
I think it's fantastic, but all of these people, the 450 MT, are learning how to ride them. It's nice.
Did you hear the accent? That's accident. How about you, brother? What can you say about what they're doing?
Well, looks like everybody's learning a lot from this clinic, and it's nice to see people getting familiar with their bikes.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Yan, interview natin si Coach Kaloy. Coach Kaloy, good morning.
Good morning.
Coach Kaloy, question lang. Matagal ka nang nagmumotor, patagal ka na rin, Coach. Ang tanong ko lang, Coach, bakit natin kailangan laging natututo kahit matagal na magmotor, kahit marunong na?
Kailangan talaga i-practice natin parati ang riding. Pag hindi ka nag-practice, you go parang tumitigil yung katawan mo. For example sa akin, if 2 weeks na ko walang sakay, parang balik ako sa beginner. So it's more on saddle time talaga.
So Coach Kaloy, ibig sabihin, mas matututo ka pag mas madalas ka talagang sumasakay sa motor mo.
Mas madalas ka sumakay sa motor and someone also teaching you on how to ride. Because kung ikaw lang mag-isa, sometimes we also develop bad habits. Without aware, we are not aware.
Na mali pala yung
Mali
Coach.
pala
ano?
yan.
Oo,
So,
tama,
nag-develop.
tama,
So
tama.
it's important that you ride, you practice, and also someone watching you.
Thank you, Coach Kaloy.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Nasa Coach Kaloy. Coach Rod,
Yes, sir.
tanong lang.
Ano po?
Tingin mo, bilang coach, bakit kailangan pa rin na natututo ang mga riders? Hindi nag-i-stop ng learning.
Well, every now and then the bikes change. So, merong mga bagong what you call this, yung mga ABS, there's traction control now. So it's important that we upgrade our learning so that when we upgrade our bikes, we'll also know what we need to do with those bikes. Especially when riding, no? And there's a different position for every bike. So I hope everybody continues to learn and everybody enrolls in whichever school.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you. Yan, si Kuya Rod. Isa pa tayong tatanungin. Si Sir Pao Toral. Sir Pao Toral of Enduro Factory. Sir Pao, question lang. Tingin mo, kahit matagal na rider na, kahit experienced rider na, bakit kailangan natututo pa rin? Nag-aaral pa rin. Sumagot ka. English only.
Hindi ko
yung training talaga never
Yan, yan.
stops. So like si Idol, Negro, kami, mga coaches, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang training. Kasi meron yung mga skills, especially precision, yan, nag-evolve, nagbabago, may mga bagong techniques, bagong approach. So, bagong motor. So, importante equip tayo ng tamang training pag nag-ride tayo, especially sa off-road.
So that's Coach Pau Toral of Enduro Factory. Sana bigyan niya tayo ng libreng gamit. Thank you. Kuya Pau, thank you. Ayan, so yan, narinig niyo mismo yan sa mga coaches, mga experienced riders na yung mga tinanong natin. So yun nga, kailangan patuloy ka pa rin natututo, hindi pwedeng marunong ka lang, hindi pwedeng magaling ka lang, kailangan lagi kang marunong at lagi kang magaling. Okay? So, meron pa tayong isang tatanungin dito. Coach Benji Dolores. Coach Benj, magandang umaga sa'yo. Tanong lang, tingin mo bakit kailangan ang mga riders hindi tumitigil sa pag-aaral o pag-gain ng bagong learning sa pagmamotor?
Never stop learning.
Napaka-basic.
Yes.
Coach Benj, thank you.
Thank you.
Coach Benj from MRSP.
Ako po si Ate Vin dito sa Motorcycle Riding School Philippines. If you want to learn more at dagdagan pa yung mga kaalaman natin sa pagmumotor, mga baguhang rider dyan, mga walang zero knowledge, feel free to visit us here at Motorcycle Riding School Philippines. Ayan, may Facebook page po kami, Motorcycle Riding School. Thank you.
Thank you, Ate Bin.